something looks very tempting, okay? I feel as though you may be led by desire, okay? This is something quite spicy, okay? So we could be in for a good time, but it could be a short time. So let's take a look. That might be fine with you, but we'll just check it out. Okay, justice. Be careful, okay? If you are involved with somebody that's involved with somebody else, be mindful, it could end in tears. If you are doing something you know you shouldn't be doing, be careful, because to see justice after the devil means that we might make the wrong choice, okay? Tower moment, followed by the sun. You know, you're going to do it anyway. You're going to do it anyway, and you're going to enjoy it. So it looks as though you've got someone or something coming in that's going to tempt you. This is usually representing, well, what it looks like. And so I think moving forward, know that this is probably going to be, oh, I stand corrected. I was going to say this might just be a bit of fun. You have the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups with this. So this, what starts off as a little temptation, starts off as a bit of fun, starts off as a friends with benefits, has potential, excuse me, has potential to be something solid. So that might be what the surprise is. You think it's just going to be a bit of fun, but in actual fact, it turns out to make you very happy. So let's get into it. Let's see what's going on. It just shows, also I dropped that one before, which is a slow burner card. So it might be that you end up just doing the physical side for a period of time, and slowly you end up getting to know this person, falling for this person. They are another slow card there. So take your time with this. Enjoy each stage and phase of this relationship. I've got the Ace of Swords there as well. This is interesting. On a read I did the other day, I had all of the aces come up then, but it was a different deck. So we have all of the aces here. I feel as though if you are tempted in the coming weeks to do something a little bit out of character, to follow your desire, instead of thinking with your brain, you're thinking with your heart or other parts of the body, go for it. I feel like it's safe. I actually feel like it could end up being something really great. Wow. 3 of Cups, 10 of Cups. This could lead to your happily ever after. So this doesn't have to be a one-night stand situation. This could just be something that you think, you know, it might suit me now, or it might be Mr. and Mrs. right now, when actually, in fact, it turns out to be Mr. or Mrs. right. So, yeah. Oh my God. I kind of want this for all of you. You have the King and Queen of Wands there, which means, again, usually quite hot-blooded. You know, they follow their desires. And you have the Nine of Pentacles with it there. So there couldn't be anything any clearer here to show us that go for this. Enjoy yourself. See what happens with this connection. I don't feel like you're going to get any heartache. I don't feel like there's going to be any issues. They're just saying stay logical, be confident, enjoy. Let's have a look at the Oracle and see what this brings up. But yeah, I mean, it looks as though you're about to start something new. It looks like it's about to be very fulfilling in every which way. This could take up until autumn to become completely solid. So it might start off as a summer fling, and then it may turn into, by the end of the year, something very solid. I feel like this person helps you kind of remember who you are. I feel like this person is going to change you and make you more courageous. I feel as though they're going to kind of bring you out of your shell. Communication is good, so it could be an air sign. I'm going to have a look at the signs in a minute, but this is definitely a breakthrough moment with this person, and they are bringing something that you really don't expect. So go with the opportunities. Do the thing you wouldn't normally do. As far as signs, we've got Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini. I'll get you 2 more. Sagittarius and Aquarius. So we've got a mixture of signs there, quite a bit of air and quite a bit of earth. But I do feel as though this can be across the board because we've got all of the aces. But yeah, go with the flow.